cliff? There we go. This guy isn't bothering me. I'm not going to bother him. But I have a feeling he's not going to respect my personal space in a second. He is. That guy won't. Like that. Sir, those packs down. Wow, I used a lot of ammo. Save that for a special occasion. Oh yeah, I don't have to use gasoline at night. That's good. Yay. Oh, damn it. Now I can't see shit. It's got some gas. Put this in the truck. Fill that. Oh, hello. Wasted that last shot. Plenty of gas, so we're good on that. The trick to avoiding these guys is not looking at them. I don't actually know if that's true or not, because alright, you're getting too close. That was easy. See if I can find any more logs around here. I don't want to have to come back anytime soon. Looks like 3 shots from the revolver works. There's a log. So many of them. There's a log. Little lunchbox, toolbox. Why are there so many pelican cases everywhere? Just randomly. Why is there metal in a cooler? I thought it would be 7 days to die logic on that purse, where I'd get a pistol out of it, but I guess not. Alright, I don't need to do that. Can I take these out? I don't think so. Or paint. Water bottle. Ooh, ammo. Rifle ammo, nice. Guess what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm going to make sure I save. Alright, let's go ahead and throw these on. Turn this on. Store all. Do I want anything back? Give me both those. Alright, that's all I need for now. Actually, I need water. I could eat too. I'm getting a little hungry. Oh, a little secret item. It's a little sketchy. There's nothing in here though. Oh, what is that? Oh. Mace? Close combat melee weapon. See how this works. Machetes. Okay. Hopefully this does a little bit more damage. Hop down. Wonder if I can chop trees in this game. Oh, log. Any more? No. There's a box. I don't think I searched that one. Oh, this is almost out of gas. Just need a little more gas. This one's got some. Alright, I'm almost full up. Let's see how this mace works. Oh, I put the mace away. There might be a better way to equip these things. I don't know yet, though. Sir, do you have a moment to talk about our Lord and Savior? The mace? This thing sucks. Alright, there's one more log, but I'm not gonna get greedy. I'm gonna get out of here. That one guy kind of chunked me a little bit.